Welcome to the Lesson 14 of the Positive Psychotherapy Introductory Course. It is about the 5-step concepts in PPT. The 5-step concepts of individual and family therapy, like 5 fingers of each hand, are quite similar to the natural process in groups as described by Raymond Battegay in group psychotherapy, as described by Moreno in psychodrama, and as described by Alfred Adler, using it for the further education of people. The unique contribution in Peseschkian's use is that this process model now exists in psychodynamic therapy. A structure of communication is employed within the 3 stages of interaction: attachment, differentiation, detachment, which involves a 5-stage process that is used both within each session and throughout the therapy. The first stage in the process is acceptance, observation and distancing, which involves a change in point of view. The second stage is the taking of an inventory in which the content of the conflict and the patient's strengths are differentiated. In the third step, called situational encouragement, self-help and resources are developed. The conflict is subsequently worked through in the fourth step, that of verbalization. The fifth step, called broadening of the goals, includes future-oriented reflecting on, summarizing, and testing the new concepts, strategies, and perspectives. This therapeutic process is predominantly oriented toward the future and toward change, and it involves understanding the past through concepts that are effective for the present. In this way, these adapted concepts are used, as well as those from other disciplines of psychotherapy when appropriate, which is called an integrative experience. The patient and his or her surroundings play an active part in the understanding of the process of illness, self-help. The 5 stages provide a structure for the process of communication within a single session, or during the whole therapeutic process, which would spontaneously come to an end without it. The therapist facilitates the stories by means of an appropriate attitude, leading questions, stories, association triggers, and revisiting themes previously mentioned. The 5-stage process in PPT provides both the therapist and the patient with a starting point as well as a sense of security and prepares the patient to work with conflicts and to engage in self-help, particularly after the end of therapy. This was the 14th lesson about the 5 steps concept. Go to the playlist. Watch the following lessons to learn more about the main concepts and techniques of positive psychotherapy method. If you were interested, like this video and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next videos.